Yes, my people, me again, you know, man. Up in a Woodland again. Pure Woodland, you see it? Woodland mean again. Woodland. Pure Woodland this. You understand? So, me have to take off the code them again. Half I pure Woodland. Pure Woodland mean pure Woodland, see there? Pure Woodland mean Woodland like nothing. But we have to take out then sitting here 5 people in place. If you not take them off, you know, gonna be a problem. I'll go over and go eat on the people in cane. I don't want them to go over there go eat on the people in cane. So I have to run them out. Go up, sir! Go up, sir! Brownstone! Go up, sir! Look the people, see them there. Them are running in front of their goat. Them are kill up, you know. See them there? Them are kill up, you know. See them there? Them are kill up, you know, man. Them are kill up. See them are kill up there? Them are fair kill up. You understand? Because I have to take them off half people in place. If you don't take them off, you get knocked out of a job. You see them the way up the side for me, look there. Pay back bush there. No house, nothing at all. Bush. Woodland there. But we have to walk and take them out. And you don't take them out, you're in trouble. You lose your work. You understand? You lose your job. You don't have a work. See all of the look what is people. Look what see them there? See them? Them bungle up there, so. Them bungle up there, so. See them there? See me can draw them close. See them? Them bungle up there, so. Bungle up there, so now. So I have to go out now, go run them. Let them find different place go. So I have to run them way. Then go different place. So the thing go, you know. See them a turn like them out. They know which part they want to come in, you know. So this so them have to go walk out. See them there? See all of them there. This so them want to come in. So I have to go walk out back. Right, you see them walk this so. In place that where they want to come in. So you see all of them there now. See them? So them are people in no business with them something, you know. Lefty. And then go in a people place. Discharge people something. You understand? And me now have to walk and take them out. And you need to take them out. You get knocked. Lose your work. See there? Pay back bush. Pay back bush. For you know, run them out. Pay back bush. So things set up, man. Pay back bush. So we have to walk through the bush them and take out them out of people in place. See it? Now see no house, nothing at all. But bush. So the thing go. So then gone left me. But I still have to search them. Because you know search them and take them out. When you know search and take them out, they will come back. So you have to take them from directly off of the whole place itself. And go away. So me have to do, you know. Go through bush. Run them away. They have to run away, you know. I don't know which side they gone now. Because I come out so I don't see them. But anyway then I have to find them. And run them and come out. But then come off. When I see where they turn, you know. See them turn, you know, people. When I see where they turn. Don't see where they turn, people. I have to find them. Because I don't know which side they gone. I don't know which side they gone. Then I go up the road. I go so about a whole heap of them. But I have to try and find them and get them off. Get them out, you know. Yeah. I don't know which side they turn. You see if garland in the back of them, you know. If they have garland back of them, When I find them, oh, see them there. So they know them road. They know them road, you know. They know them road. They know them road. Can I have to go through this bush here? You know which part them want to come in. I have to turn through here, so. See them there way over, so. I go. I'm going over, so. See them there? So they know them road, they know where they want to come in. So, I go sit down and I go peep, you know, and see which way them I go. Because I have to see where them head to, you know. Because they may wheel back. See them there, wheel so. Wheel so then there. Alright. Go through there so now. Go through there so and look at the road there so. Pea bush me have to go through, you know, man. Go through and look at the road there so. Go through there so. See if I find them. See them there, so turn up. See them up there so. See them there. See them bungalow up there so. That's why I say I have to find them and get them off my compound. You know. See them there. I have to get them off my compound so them walk along in there in front of me. I have to get them. And you know me not get them off. I'm in trouble. Because you go now. See them actually all of them there now. See them, I see me can't zoom in them. See me get them close. You know, see them now, see them there. Like all of them, so them me have to go for. I have to go for them and run them. You see, let me tell you how the original. I pack up this one, you know, that me like say, you know. If me never, if you say turn way, and I go for them, and I run them way, them will wheel back. Take away yourself. Take away yourself. You bunker teeth, you. Take away yourself. See people. So me have to do it and get them. See them how they turn up. Take away yourself. I have to run them way. Take away yourself. Take away yourself. Take away yourself. Take away yourself. See it? Yeah, man. So I saw in a bush, you have to run them way. And you know, run them way, man, and come back. And I mean, I trouble. Because I'm a wheel back. I have one, for my party, I don't see him yet, so I can't put nothing on him. I have to do it. Yeah. See them there? See them there? See them there? I have to run them way. Way! Take on yourself! Back! Way! Yeah, then good there now. You can't make us run them a little bit more. Up a little bit more. And get them closer to up so. Up to me know so they can't come back. And when you run them so, and you know go with them there, you left them, they will take time and walk back and they know them road, you know. They know them road where they walk. So they will go wheel it back, you see it? See them road there? Them road that, you know. So they know them road. Take away yourself! Where? Where? Yeah, see them and get up and gone. Yeah, man. Get up, man, and get up like get up and gone. You know, run them way. You know, you see place. Name down, then come back and name down everything. And gone now, I get them out of my sight. And good now. So, I can head out back. Yeah. Yeah, man, I saw things set up. See look how the sky look. Sky that, you know, man. Black for the brand new year, the first day in a year. This our something tree and plum tree. This is our plum tree. See there? And plum tree then down young. This is a common plum tree that. I go back out in the town. Go back out now. Because I get them off my compound, you know. So I get them off my good. Yeah, man, I get them off. We have to stay and go and go. Sure. I get them off and good, you know. One thing about me now, mosquito run at the look bad. So catching in the next video, people. I remember say I want to know comment on the video them, watch them and comment. I want to get my comment on the video them, you know. Yeah, I'm out. Catch you in the next one.